I want to show you how you can become a top affiliate in the next 30 days. Or even better, how you can build a solid and everlasting business that generates you real passive income. On the past few months, I've been doing meetings with Builderall's top affiliates, learning, researching, and getting deep into how these affiliates make millions of dollars online promoting a single product. And then after all of my research, I took what I learned and I decided to create a course straight to the point, quick, with 15 lessons where I show you exactly how these affiliates, these top affiliates, made millions of dollars online promoting a single product. Each lesson inside the course is a summary of the key points of each individual strategy of these top affiliates with a step-by-step on how you can apply these strategies into your business quickly and efficiently. And remember, all of these strategies have already been proven by the best affiliates in the marketing industry. So let me give you an example. In one of the lessons, I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna teach you the same strategies that made James over $1 million promoting one product. And in another lesson, I'm gonna show you how Chad made over $1 million promoting the same product as James. And guess what? 3 years ago, Chad was a waiter who did not know anything about digital marketing. And in this course, you will see that most of these affiliates is started from scratch, without any authority, without any money, and without anyone's help. And today they've made millions of dollars with these strategies right here that you're gonna get in the course. And now you have 10 different ways for you to become a top affiliate, for you to make a living with affiliate marketing. And again, each lesson in this course is a strategy. It's a unique way on how you can become a top affiliate, how you can make a living with affiliate marketing. When you get access to the course, you can go through each lesson and you can learn each individual strategy from these top affiliates, and you can choose the strategy that best fits your personality and put it into practice and start promoting. If you're interested in learning and making a living from digital marketing, why not learn from Builderall's top 10 best affiliates? Success is a matter of action. So take action right now, click on the button below this video and start today.